You see, according to Einstein, time is relative. And nowhere is that more apparent than the final 2 seconds of microwaving a burrito.
Fascinating, isn't it? Time dilation can be quite messy in a microwave. What? I'm old! Holy smokes!
This is why time literally bends around massive objects, and why your perception of reality is merely a stubborn illusion. Why did you bring me back here? I told you, 1985 or nothing! Stop doing this!
Arg! The light! It's never changing! I'm losing my mind!
When you're stuck in traffic, you're not late, you're time traveling.